Kwelinye icala ulutsha oluphuma kwiindawo ngeendawo zaseSoweto lubongoza urhulumente ukuba avelise amathuba emisebenzi ongezelelweyo. Lo gama beliqonda ifuthe lolutsha luka-1976 kwinkqubo yemfundo yaseMzantsi Afrika kunye nenkqubela phambili eyenziwe kweli candelo kusukela ekupheleni kocalucalulo. Abantu abatsha bakholelwa ekubeni kufuneka inyathelo elingaphezulu kurhulumente ukubalungiselela ikamva eliqaqambileyo.
Ilanga lanamhlanje, it's one of the best day that we need to realize in our history. Ilanga eluthi youth yibo basilwele ukuthi sibe nelungelo ukuthi sifunde freely and have a right to choice.
We need resources because of we are lacking as the youth as schools in schools and all those things. So we need resources to the government to give us some things like that.
For me, let's tell you joy because of being recognized as the youth. As for Nkotli, you are not going to exist. We're part of the nation too. Not to recognize you, which is corner, like Mhlabi. So ngiyajabula makuba so because it shows that we are part of the nation. That is corner, so recognize you. I feel like for me, ngifuna to be recognized more. Like a government, there should be also a youth. Like we should also be running something. We're not just kids, people, not just we want to be seen as something.
I'm happy that as youth, we are recognized and we have a say on other things, but on other things, we don't have a say. And I would wish that we could have a change in employment rate because there's a lot of unemployment rate than abantu basebenzayo. So I think as youth nayo, because a lot of abantu ba youth yibo bangasebenzi. Sigcina ukuthi bathi is education is a key to success, right? But we end up not having job after that. So I think we should be provided with job